Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today I am here with your thematic workbook Summer Holidays Theme 3. Let's open page number 13. On page number 13 we have a letter P. P. So first of all mention date at the top of the page, and after mentioning date let's come to letter P. So look at the formation carefully. We have 4-line workbook. So we are going to start from the top, come down with a vertical line, and then step 2 is a curve just like C, okay, in opposite direction. Here again, for the small letter we will start from the second line, we'll go till last line, and then a half circle like this. P for pumpkin, pig, pot. Okay, so what will we do now? We will color these pictures. Let's start coloring these pictures. Take a color and color this pumpkin. After coloring the pumpkin, let's come to pig. After that, tub. Just color this tub properly. After coloring these pictures, let's come to the formation. So for capital letter, vertical line in 3 lines and a half circle like this. P. Again, vertical line and a half circle. P. Vertical line and a half circle. P. Vertical line and a half circle. P. So likewise we will complete these 2 lines. After completing this page, we'll turn the page and let's come to small letter P. How will we write this? Vertical line and a half circle like this. So vertical line we will start from the second line and we'll go till last line, half circle. P. 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 Likewise, we will trace all the P. After finishing this tracing work, let's come to independent writing. So here we will write capital P and small. Okay, P, P. So we have 4 lines. We will write capital letter in 3 lines. Start from the top, come down with a vertical line, and then start from the top and a half circle like this. P, P. And for the small letter, start from the second line, come down with a vertical line and a half circle like this. P. So P, P. Everybody watch this video carefully and complete page number 13 and 14 in your theme 3 workbook. We'll meet in next video. Till the time, take good care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.